People are walking. Let's go straight on.
Nagpa-park na sila eh.
It doesn't matter, malayo pa eh. Saka meron pang parking dun. Oh, that's the covered bridge, see?
Yun palang covered bridge. Diba pa?
Yeah, dun sa likod ng ano na yun. The longest covered bridge in the world. Dito, sarap nito. Wanna go there, Elijah?